In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unshare your Google Calendar. First off, let's talk about why you might want to unshare your Google Calendar. Maybe you've shared it with coworkers for a project that's now completed, or perhaps you've inadvertently shared it with someone you didn't intend to. Whatever your reason, unsharing your Google Calendar can help you maintain your privacy and ensure that only the people you choose have access to your schedule. To get started, you'll need to sign into your Google account. Head over to the Google Calendar website. Once you're there, you'll see a sign in page. Go ahead and type in your email address and password, then click Next to proceed. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your main Google Calendar page. If you're like many of us, you might have multiple calendars for different aspects of your life or work. You'll need to navigate to the specific calendar you want to adjust the sharing settings for. To do this, click on the Settings gear icon, usually found in the top right hand corner of your screen. The design and location might change slightly with updates to Google's interface, but it's always in a fairly conspicuous spot. In the settings menu, you'll see a list of your calendars on the left hand side. Click on the calendar you're interested in adjusting. After selecting your calendar, look for the option that says Share with specific people or groups. This is where Google allows you to control exactly who has access to your calendar. Now you'll see a list of people or groups you've previously shared your calendar with. Each entry will have their name or email address along with an X or a remove option next to it. To unshare your calendar from a particular person or group, simply click on the X next to their name. This action immediately revokes their access to your calendar. They'll no longer be able to view any of your events or details. It's worth noting that when you unshare your calendar, the person or group you've removed won't receive a notification about this change. However, they might eventually realize they can no longer access your calendar if they try to view it later. After you've removed access for unwanted viewers, you can navigate out of the settings or adjust further settings as needed. Remember, managing who can see your calendar is key to your privacy. Always make sure you're only sharing with those you trust. And that's it, you now know how to unshare your Google Calendar. It's a straightforward process, but an important one for maintaining control over your personal or work schedule online. Whether you're tidying up your digital life or ensuring your privacy, taking charge of your calendar sharing settings is a great step forward. Thanks for joining me today. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. See you in the next video.